Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to restore Metamask lost access without seed phrase. So we are going to find out is it even possible to do it, and if it is, then how we can actually do this. So whenever you launch your Metamask mobile application and press the get started button, you will be able to see only two options. The first is of importing your Metamask account using the secret recovery phrase, and the second one is to create a fresh account. Now, backing up your secret recovery phrase in several secure locations is a must do when using MetaMask. That's because you are the custodian of your accounts, meaning that no one can ever stop you from accessing those accounts or using your Web3 identity so long as you know those secret words. Now, if you tap on this option, you can have the secret recovery phrase. So, if you don't have it, then what you can do is you can simply try several ways. Like in the first step, you can contact with the MetaMask customer service and they can help you in finding your secret recovery phrase. But in order to log in into your MetaMask account to retrieve or recover your MetaMask account, your secret recovery phrase is mandatory. So instead of trying to restoring your MetaMask lost access without seed phrase, what I would recommend you doing is to find the ways of getting your seed phrase back. So in this situation, only the MetaMask customer service can help you. So in order to contact with them, you just have to use your web browser, and from there you can search for MetaMask support, and then you can try to contact with them. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.